How to fix error code HTML5 underscore video 3 in Google Chrome or Firefox. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first method is reset the browser. If you are running the video in Google Chrome, then click on three dots, scroll down and select settings. Go to reset settings. Click on restore setting to their original defaults and click on reset settings. This will disable all extensions, reset Chrome settings and shortcuts, and delete cookies and other temporary site data. After reset, try to run the video. If this method doesn't work, then disable hardware acceleration when available. For this, click on System and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it is turned on, turn it off. After turning off, you have to relaunch the browser. Click on Relaunch. The issue should be fixed. If the error code appears in the Firefox browser, then click on three lines from here. Scroll down and click on Help. Over here, click on More Troubleshooting Information and click on Refresh Firefox. Again click on Refresh. Done. If the issue still persists, then click on three lines. Select Settings. In the General tab, scroll down and go to Performance and check this box. Use recommended performance settings and uncheck this box. Use hardware acceleration when available. Then restart your browser and check if the issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.